Thank you. Um, Himanshu, Anuj, Princey, and Sumarshi, I must thank you and to tell you that I unfortunately will not be able to speak in Hindi. So I will give a message. Whatever I have to talk it will be in English, to tell you the truth. So I will start. मैं शुरू करूँगी और what I have written, I'm going to read it. Later, if you want to take it and आपको print करना है, जो करना है, मैं जरूर आपको दे सकती हूँ, मेरे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मैं आपको बता देती हूँ ये बात. So we start with it and then you can translate it in Hindi if you want to.
Yes, sure, ma'am. Yes, sure.
I thank space. First of all, I think wish all of you a very, very good morning. Okay, it's still 11:10, and I start with it. I thank Space to Grow and Jharkhand State Livelihood Promotion Society to make a part of this training program, building resilience to tackle human trafficking. The shift from human trafficking to anti human trafficking is extremely interesting for me. For so many years, we have spoken only about human trafficking and its flip side. Today, we have an alternative, and we are going to explore that alternative. According to me, why should the police be the first responder? As the incident happens between the offender and the child, but it is the neighbor who has seen the incident or the parent. These then become the first responder. The person to whom the incident has been narrated by the child is also the responder. He or she is a part of the community and the general public. These may be sensitized, and this is the reason this kind of seminar conference is organized. Yes, I'm a part of the judiciary, but I must confess that sometimes the judiciary has failed to the child under the POXO Act. For example, two cases dealt under the POXO Act by the judge of the Bombay High Court, Nagpur bench, is the result of judge not being sensitized. In both the cases, the judge acquitted the offender for reasons which cannot be accepted. I can understand in the first case the court made a mistake. But when in another case, too, the judge acquitted the offender for the first time, this cannot be a mistake. But one is forced to say that the judge is totally insensitive. In fact, the subject judge was a deputy director of the Judicial Academy of the Maharashtra state. But this is neither here nor there. The judge never learned how to deal with these kind of cases and is totally insensitized. Delhi High Court granted bail to the offender of a 2.5-year-old child based on medical report and delay of 8 hours, although the neighbor first responder had caught the offender. I would say that the judge is also not sensitized as he or she was dealing with the case of a 2.5 child. Recently, an inmate of a Chennai home rang up child line, now all of you know 1098, and complained the atrocities meted to the inmates under the POXO Act. We need more first responders to come out of the closet. Usually, nobody wants to take the initiation. Remember this act. No, according to them, there's a lot of jhamela, but this attitude must change. Remember, your act will help the child who has been wronged. We need more courageous and right thinking people, and there are many. All that we have to do is to push them in the right direction. and tell them that their action will go a long way. This is sensitization and nothing more. Open any newspaper. At any page, you will read about a minor being raped. The law and sections are in place. But my question is, where have we, a part of the community, public general, failed? The answer is within us. हमारे में, अंदर में ही है. इसी कारण ये हम लोग नहीं, ये आंसर जो है, जो जवाब जो है, वो हमारे अंदर में ही है, हमारे आत्मा में है, पर हमने उसको कभी देखा नहीं है, हम लोगों ने कभी ढूंढा नहीं है, और हमने आपको we have not even shaken ourselves. And that is the reason which is very important, that we must shake ourselves from within. We will be inert. We are in fact, हम तो ये बोल सकते हैं कि we are inert, passive हैं. हमारे में वो जो energy जो होना चाहिए, we should be energetic, जो हम में नहीं है. हम ठंडे हो गए हैं. वो गर्माहट जो होनी चाहिए, वो हमारे दिलों में नहीं है. बच्चों को लेके बात, बाकी से हमारे बहुत एनर्जी है हमारे में, बट बच्चों को लेके हमारे कुछ, वी आर टोटली इनएक्टिव, हमारे में एनर्जी नहीं है. एंड दैट इज द रीजन मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि यू मस्ट बी एनर्जेटिक एंड एक्टिव vis-a-vis the child. The time has come. तो इसीलिए मैं बोलती हूँ, the time has come to move as first responders, and we must combat human trafficking as a part of the community. Before I conclude, I must say that a case came before me, or before me and my brother judge in the division bench when I was in the High Court. And unfortunately, we had to dismiss the appeal. And the reason is because the materials were not enough before us. But the only reason I say this is because the first responder must honestly either file the complaint or make the statement and stick by it. And very often, मैंने जो देखा है कि many people, because of no jhamela, they don't want to get into it, they become a hostile witness. तो बच्चा का जो, वो लोग कभी सोचते नहीं है बच्चों के बारे में. They only think about उनके बारे में सोचते हैं. तो the time, इसीलिए मैं बोलती हूँ कि the time has come when we must give importance to that child, which is very important. Remember, मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, remember, the child has been wronged, and you must do justice to the child. That child can be anyone's child. It may be your child, it may be my child, my friend's child, and anybody's child. It can be anybody's child. I remember, और ये बहुत खेद के साथ मुझे ये कहना बोलना पड़ेगा, is that एक family friend, कई बच्चे, they come and meet people, gentlemen, women, as a family.
Ma'am,
the child looks at that family friend who is a male, looks and address that gentleman as uncle or bhaiya. And this, when वो बच्चा नहीं समझता है, वो बच्चा नहीं समझता है कि उसका अब्यूज हो रहा है मेंटली और फिजिकली. और मैं बताऊं कि ये लड़की, उनका फैमिली, वो लोग फैमिली फ्रेंड्स थे. The lady had a very good position in the government. The father of the child was working is in that outfit, उसी जगह में, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में। अब वो जब बच्चा, वो husband of that lady, they would come and meet उनके घर में, किसके भी घर में, माने अंकल, जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जिसमें वो लेडी काम करती थी, तो वो पेरेंट्स आते थे बच्चों को के साथ मिलने के लिए, और वो बच्चा भी आते थे उनके घरों में। उसमें क्या होता था कि वो जेंटलमैन जो था वो बच्चा को लेके बाहर दूसरे रूम में लेके जाता था। अब वहां पर वो पता नहीं क्या होता था, क्या नहीं होता था, वो आपको भी नहीं पता, मुझे भी नहीं पता, पर वो बच्ची कुछ नहीं बोलती थी। एक बार उसने अपने पेरेंट्स को बोला, तब उसके पेरेंट्स जो थे, माँ तो बोलना चाहती थी पर बाप बोला नहीं, अगर हम बोलेंगे तो उसका काम, his job was at stake. he would have to give his resignation या उसको निकाल देते। तो इसी कारण उन्होंने कंप्लेन नहीं फाइल किया, और वो जो बच्ची, she suffered। और यही हम बताना चाहते हैं कि we misuse our powers। हमको कभी अपना पावर्स को मिसयूज नहीं करना चाहिए। And especially, maybe that man was not happy with his wife. Maybe he was a very viral person, उनमें बहुत strength थी, emotional, and maybe he wanted a young girl। पर आप ये तो सोचो कि ये बच्ची तुम्हारी भी बच्ची हो सकती है, पर उन्होंने ये नहीं सोचा। ये तो, that बच्चा was just a जरिया, was just a tool, and वही वो कर रहा था कि he was misusing her physically and he was pressurizing her mentally। यही हम बोलना चाहते हैं कि ये कभी नहीं होना चाहिए। और इसी कारण मैं बोलती हूँ कि चाइल्ड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, a child is very important, and the time has come to rise and do your little bit। Namaskar. Thank you.